Hello friends, I'd like to show you all my neck strap for my Canon camera, or any camera if you like. Nice soft neoprene, a lot better than the things that are going to scratch your neck. Has two zippered pouches, say for a battery or your lens cap, maybe your car keys, or anything small that you might want to put in there. Two little pouches, one on each side. It comes with quick release buckles, and these connect right to your camera. It did come with a rather large what do you call it, a little what the hell do you call that, a little ring for like keys or something. You slip this through there. Super comfortable compared to the strap that came with my Canon camera, which is this thing. This thing is not comfortable at all. It scratches your neck. Anyway, this is a lot more comfortable. It was $10.99 on Amazon. I'll put up a link to Amazon if you want to go there and get this neck strap. Super comfortable. As always, I want to thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you.